Let's explore another website for downloading free stock images. The name of the website is buzz.shopify.com. Here you can download free high resolution images. These are all free stock photos which you can use for your website, commercial use as well as in YouTube videos. As you can see, there is a bar for searching photos. Popular categories in this website are coffee, fashion, music, travel, food, nature and city. There are some top free picks of this week. You can download photos from collections. Now if you are looking for fitness category, you can go to this category and can find all the images which are related to fitness. Now going back, if I'm looking for bike, I can find photos here. Now let me show you how to download an image. Suppose if I'm trying to download this image, this is an option whether you want to download the image as a high resolution image or as a low resolution image. The description of photo is also there. Person with a backpack pushing her bike through the city sidewalks. High resolution, low resolution. Suppose I want to download high resolution image, then I will click download free photo. The photo has started downloading. It's very easy. So this is another website which you must use to create your YouTube videos. These are free to use, copyright free. There's no need to worry. I will see you in the next lecture.